Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. So to the coming up of Become the Nail event, which is on the 17th of June at 9 a.m. I am hosting online workshops in between that you can learn a different nail art designs or different techniques. So if you're interested in the online workshop, please drop me an email. Just let me know what you'd be wanting to work on, and then I'll let you know the pricing and the times and dates that we will do the one-to-one on the online workshops. Okay, so I will be just showing you just a few steps that I've taken to achieve this nail. If you want to know how I've done this, we will do the online workshop, and online workshop begins on the 5th of February, and if you register, then you'll get a timetable of when I'll host my online workshop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Also check out other videos that you may be interested in to learn a few simple easy tricks to design your nails. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you really soon. Kisses and glitter sprinkled with glitter love.